forces met and fought at a stream crossing called Blackburn's Ford in Centerville. This was the first Civil War land battle in Northern Virginia. But within a few days, the forces had met again in the First Battle of Manassas. Soon, the Battle of Blackburn's Ford, with its 151 casualties, was overshadowed by larger conflicts in what would become the bloodiest conflict in American history.
When the Union cavalry broke off pursuit of the Confederates, Lieutenant James Wiltshire said to his fellow ranger James Williamson the next day, "Has it ever struck you as being a notable fact that the first big fight of the war occurred on Bull Run," referring to either Blackburn's Ford or First Manassas, "and the last shots of the war in Virginia were fired on the banks of the same stream?"
Monday, July 18th marked the 150th anniversary of the Battle of Blackburn's Ford, and the Northern Virginia Regional Park Authority hosted a commemoration of the fallen, with living history reenactors and dedication of a replica of Civil War winter quarters built at Bull Run Regional Park to interpret the role of this area during the Civil War. While the expression "a drop in the bucket" usually refers to something small and insignificant, the resurgence of rain barrels by homeowners in Northern Virginia has given that old phrase a new meaning. For every inch of rain that falls on the average size home in our area, approximately 700 gallons of water can be harvested into a rain barrel.